Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this particular video I'll be sharing with you how you could convert BTC to USDT. This particular video will be a beginner friendly and will be a clear tutorial on how you could convert any crypto of your choice, especially BTC to USDT. Maybe you have BTC and you want to convert it into USDT so that you could just sell on their P2P. I have a lot of tutorial video they have created, which I'll be dropping in the description of this particular video, which you can actually watch. The first thing, this particular tutorial is all about using Bybit. So if you don't know how Bybit, I'll be dropping my Bybit registration link in the description of this particular video and the referral code. Please kindly use it so that you could actually download the Bybit on your Android phone. So after all said and done, that you have registered on Bybit or you have a Bybit account and you have perfected your KYC. If you haven't watched my video on how to deposit on Bybit, I have a P2P tutorial that I've created which you can actually watch. So let's say you have BTC and you want to convert it to USDT like what we have in this particular. You will come down to this particular market section. So what you will do is to tap on BTC. You see BTC with a lot of pair, which you can see here. You can see BTC to USDT, BTC to USDC, BTC to UR, BTC. So, but above all, the one we need was BTC to USDT because we want to convert BTC. So you tap on it. So now, when you are in this particular page, what you need to do now is that you could see that the icon is on the buy section. You are not buying, you want to sell, which we call the convert. So you have to tap on this particular sell section here. You'll come, let's say I want to sell 1 BTC, you just put it, or let's say I want to sell 0.5, so you just put 0.5 BTC. You could see this is the amount of USDT that I'm going to get. It's going to give me 46,439.5 cents USDT. So what you need to look at again when you are trying to sell is that you have to look at the market limit, meaning you are selling at this current particular price. You could see it's showing limit, and you could see the price here that is at 92,879, which is the same thing as this one. So immediately you tap on this your sell, it will be sold, and once it is sold, you'll be given your USDT, which you will be able to check here when you come to your assets section here. When you tap on this your access section, and you come to under this particular place which is shown as funding. So when you tap on your unified trading account, you'll be able to see, you could see my here now. You'll be able to see the amount of USDT that you have. And if you want to sell your USDT in P2P, you can also actually do that also on your Bybit, and you get your money in your bank account. So what you just need to do is to come to your home section here. Let's say I want to sell it to P2P. You just have to tap on this place that has to do with P2P trading. You tap on it. So you just have to be very careful when you are trading on P2P. And if you need a full tutorial on how to sell on P2P, I'll be dropping it in the description of this particular video, so you can just actually watch it to see how you could successfully trade on P2P on Bybit. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe, click on the bell notification so that you could get notified anytime we upload. And if any question pertaining to this particular tutorial, please kindly drop it in the comment section of this particular video. Thank you. Bye bye for now.